Hey everyone, so if you saw my school supplies haul, if you saw my pencil case, I'm going to be organizing this because I will be going to school next Tuesday, so I just want to organize it. And I want to show you. So I'm going to be using my 60-pack colored pencils, 12 markers, my glue stick, of course my pencils, some pens, scissors, and highlighters. So let's get started with it and I'll come back. And I almost forgot my pencil sharpener, so let's open the pencil first. So probably 5 pencils. 4 and 5. And I'm going to sharpen this and I'll come back with you. But before I sharpen that, let's do the scissors first. So here it is, and I'm going to put it. Okay. There we go. So that's where I put it. And now I have no idea, so let me just sharpen my pencils and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I sharpened all my pencils and this really works really good. So here how it looks. This one. Now put the big scissors here. I don't know if I should put my glue stick over here, but I'm gonna put my eraser there, and I'll put my stick here. Okay. I'm going to get my calculator and let's open it up. And I think you need batteries for this. So I don't know, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you do. So back there, I'm gonna put my pens in where I put my pencil. So I'm just going to use two blue and 2 red, just in case I need them. Okay, so it's getting cold, so let's put highlighters in there. I'm kind of confused why there's lots of yellow, so there's yellow, green, pink, blue, orange, and I guess this pen. I don't know, liquid highlighter, so it came with it. Now the markers. This is the original markers, so it's brown, pink, red, light blue, purple, It's just one sandy tan or peach, green, blue, black, orange, yellow, and gray. So there's 12 of those. So it's kind of full. So yeah. And I'm not sure about this. I maybe carry this a lot, like in my backpack, because it probably won't fit in my backpack. So yeah, bye everyone.